2025 Škoda Octavia RS arrives with more power, sharper driving dynamics, and a completely refreshed cabin that blends sportiness with comfort and tech. As the flagship performance model in the Octavia lineup, the RS continues to strike an ideal balance between spirited driving and everyday usability. With its upgraded drivetrain, a more emotional startup, and premium interior upgrades, this new RS proves that evolution, when done right, can deliver a stronger sense of purpose. The updated 2.0-liter TSI engine is now tuned to produce 195 kilowatts, 265 horsepower, and 370 Newton-meters of torque, giving the RS a 20 horsepower advantage over its predecessor. Mated to a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, the 2025 Octavia RS accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.4 seconds for the hatchback and 6.5 for the Combi estate. The electronically limited top speed of 250 km per hour keeps it in hot hatch territory, but the standout addition is the new standard sports exhaust and emotion start function. Hold the start button, and the ECU kicks engine revs to 2,100 RPM, delivering a satisfying bark that sets the tone before every drive. The revised exterior sharpens the RS presence. It now wears a more aggressive front bumper, sleeker matrix LED headlights, and a blacked-out grille. Around back, restyled LED taillights and a sporty diffuser keep the look current. 18-inch wheels are standard, but 19s are available for added flair. Red brake calipers and black accents are carried throughout, maintaining the RS' understated but aggressive aesthetic. Both the hatchback and Combi retain their practical form factors while hinting strongly at the performance within. Inside, the RS now feels more upscale and athletic. The 13-inch central touchscreen with navigation is standard, as is the automatically retractable load cover in the Combi. The cabin is wrapped in sporty black upholstery, with quilted fabric sports seats, integrated headrests, and red contrast stitching. The new RS logo is prominently displayed, and neoprene material with red stitching covers the dashboard's design strip. Artificial leather door panels, gloss black door inserts, and black middle carbon dashboard trim round out the athletic vibe. A leather-wrapped, flat-bottom 3-spoke steering wheel with shift paddles adds to the engagement, and the stainless steel look pedals reinforce the RS performance DNA. For those seeking even more luxury, the optional RS Suedia design selection enhances the experience further. It features Suedia microfiber and artificial leather sports seats, with additional red stitching on both seat surfaces and backrests. The same Suedia/ergo combination is also applied to the door panels and dashboard, the latter finished with dual red contrast stitching rows, raising the interior ambience significantly. Despite its track-ready attitude, the Octavia RS doesn't forget its family car roots. The Combi still boasts over 600 liters of cargo space, while rear seat room remains generous. Adaptive chassis control is available for those who want to toggle between comfort and stiffness depending on the situation. Even in sport mode, the ride remains composed, and in comfort, it's more than suitable for long hauls or city life. Safety is robust, with the latest advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and over-the-air update capability to future-proof key features. A new ChatGPT-powered voice assistant also debuts, offering smarter and more natural interactions. With a starting price around €40,000, the 2025 Škoda Octavia RS continues to offer a compelling mix of practicality, performance, and premium features. Whether you choose the dynamic hatchback or the ultra-versatile Combi, the RS is better than ever and might just be the most complete car in its class.